Yo, yo! What's up mga homies? So, sabi sa akin yung kaibigan ko na try ko raw ko to. Galing to sa moving The Animal. So, check lang natin to guys kung maganda. At kung ano maging reaction natin. So, upo ka lang dyan at makitawa ka sa akin.
This is Henry the orangutan. He's very affectionate.
Henry!
He really likes people. He just doesn't like other monkeys. We have quite a collection of exotic birds. Macaws. My friend Cosmo's a parrot.
Nanangaw.
You, You know, parrots are one of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom.
Really?
It's been proven that they have the intelligence of a 5-year-old child.
A 5-year-old?
Parrots just mimic, but I actually think they have thoughts of their own. Some of them even have 200 words. Cosmo has about 150.
That's incredible! I didn't know any of that.
Hi there. Sometimes I feel like I get along better with people. Animals are simple, they're honest. You know what I mean? I guess I kind of like people better. With animals, I just feel like I'm one of them. Easy boy.
Grabe, aslig na.
It's crazy. Hey, sweetie. Calm down. What's the matter with you guys?
Yo! Best friend.